Former U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton has said she had no information about the criminal activities of Jeffrey Epstein and urged lawmakers to ask President Donald Trump about him under oath. She was giving evidence in a behind-closed-doors session before a congressional committee investigating the late convicted sex offender. Well, our Washington correspondent Sean Whelan is standing by. And Sean, as we say there, the hearing is taking place behind closed doors. Hillary Clinton, however, did post her opening statement online, and it's very clear that she is in attack mode.
Oh, absolutely. She went straight for the jugular of the committee, accusing them of a whole range of failures, saying rather than calling me in for testimony, me being Hillary Clinton, because I've already told you I know nothing about Epstein, never met him, never went to the island, never flew on his plane, although her husband Bill Clinton, of course, did fly on his plane as part of fundraising exercises and visits to Africa. Hillary Clinton says she doesn't know anything about what went on, and other people have supplied similar written testimonies. Why couldn't the committee just accept that and move on? But instead she said, look, you've failed to call in President Trump, who was obviously a close associate of Epstein. She failed to call in Howard Lutnick, the Commerce Secretary, who has turned up numerous times in the Epstein files, contradicting things that he'd said in public. The chairman of that committee did say, yes, we are interested in hearing from Howard Lutnick, and Nancy Mace, one of the members, stepped forward to the media and said, I will definitely be looking for Howard Lutnick to come before this committee. So he's not out of the woods yet, but also accusing the president of cutting back the sex trafficking investigations unit that had been set up under her watch when she was the Secretary of State here at the Trump administration. She says cut it by 70%. And she says, why aren't you as a committee investigating that, for example? So the group of Republicans led by Jim Comer were supposed to come out and brief the media on an hourly basis. They haven't done that, possibly because they're getting well stuck into things with Hillary Clinton behind closed doors in that meeting at an arts centre in Chappaqua in New York State, which is where the Clintons reside and which is where the members of the committee travel to have that behind closed doors hearing. But we are expecting them to release videotape of it, possibly overnight. Back to you in Dublin.
Sean Whelan in Washington, thanks indeed.